This pattern happens every week. If you want to join me for live trading, go for the first link in the description. Let's get into my strategy and NT. It's only 3 steps. It's super easy to follow. It's extremely mechanical, and you can even get a checklist for my strategy. Let's go over a bullish play and a bearish play. Bullish first, we're looking for a sweep to happen, and we're moving up. So as you can see, price is coming up. Where is the sweep? Looking from right to left. The sweep is right here. So let's highlight that. Looking at this play on the right, the bearish one, we're looking for a sweep to happen. Sweep furthest on the left is right here. Let's highlight that. So then after that sweep, we're going to get the new swing high and swing low that's created after that. Let's create yellow zones on those new swing highs and swing lows. The swing high and swing low. Do the same thing to the side. The new swing high and the new swing low. So our NNT zones are created. Then we want to tap on the zone. Tap on the zone. Then after our tap, we want to break structure. Break structure. Then we would enter at 50%. Enter at 50%. So for bullish, we would expect price to come out, and bearish, expect price to come down. It's reacting to 50%. So you would enter. Bullish, you would put your stop loss right here. Take profit up here. Expect your take profit to get hit. Bearish, you put your stop loss above and your take profit right here, expecting your take profit to get hit. Let's go over a real life example right below. The exact same pattern we just went over played out right here. We see a swing low, a swing high, sweeping all this below. See this bearish play, drawing the pattern. See price came out, tapped the zone, and then broke structure. Tapped the zone. So then before coming back, we would enter at 50% with our take profit below. Our stop loss one tick above. As you can see, price came, built 50%, and hit our take profit. Let's hop right into a back test so you can see this trade play out in real time. Alright, we're in this back test. Am I bearish or am I bullish right now? I want to say I'm bullish, but I'm getting some bearish signs. So we'll see right here. But right now, we do look really bearish. Let me see. I see we're respecting this zone right here. We're holding the zone real strong. See in the 15 minute. We have a 15-minute zone above right here. We're respecting it. We have strong 15-minute zones and initial balance. A lot of things are holding us down, so I'm not very bullish just yet. I do see a bullish play right here. Let's see here. So I do like this bullish play. For me to want to take this, I need a reaction before entering. So like price will need to come down, react a bit, then fill me. Let's see if that happens. I'm not too sure about this zone that I just marked out right here. Let's make it green. It's just the same pattern we just went over right now. Swing low, swing high, sweeping, coming out, tapping the zone, breaking structure. And it's filling 50% right now. It's gonna hit take profit. I don't really like taking first flips. A first flip is like the first flip of a high or low. So you can see right here on the 1 minute on the top left, we're at the highest high. It's a first flip to the downside. So look, I don't want to take the first flip. Okay, so right now I'm getting a lot of bearish signs. As much as I want to be bullish. Let's see. So this green zone seems to be useless. Yeah, this green zone is no longer available. It's already getting mitigated. So the red zone is what's important. The red zone hasn't been mitigated just yet. Meaning mitigated means that the zone hasn't been filled yet. And how do I make this drawing? Swing high, swing low, tap in the zone. Here's a sweep, breaking structure, and then price just to come back and fill 50%. Okay, so the zone above got mitigated, meaning that there's nothing holding us back right now from going up. If I want full confirmation on bullish, I need the 1 minute candles to close above this red zone above. So I need a 1 minute candle to close right here. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Let's kind of skip this and go ahead and see what happens. Okay, so we are super respecting this 15-minute zone above. That's yellow. I see a play that I like. I'm not going to take it though, because we have so much resistance above here and there's no proper sweep. But you can see the swing high, the swing low, and then we are sweeping some price right here, but it's not enough. I think being bearish makes more sense right now, and not taking a bullish play. I think this is just way too risky. Yeah, and I even see a bearish play even forming right here, red. So this green zone is just way too risky for me. Let's see if I can speed up our back test here. Oh, so the green zone mitigated it. Oh, it failed 50%, hit take profit, which is not for me. I didn't like how the play was looking. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a lot of bullish signs now, but I'm still pretty bearish. I'm not bullish just yet. So I'm looking for a bearish play to form for me. I don't see one yet. Oh, I see one that just got formed. Oh, never mind. Come on, come on. Give me something, give me something. If you look at the 1 minute on the top left, we're just chopping it up. We're not really doing anything right now. I don't see anything just yet. I can speed it up a bit more here. This is why it's so crucial for me to look for high probability plays. Because if I was just trying to take something right now, it'd just be a play in all this chop, as you can see on the top left. And there's nothing in all this chop. It'd just be way too risky. So I see something that just formed. I'm still pretty bearish. Let's see if we go up to it, and then I'll slow it down here. Going. Okay, let me mark out what I see right now. It looks like we're coming up to it. It's right here. Alright. As you can see, the swing high, the sweep, swing low, tap on the zone, break structure. So price came out, tap the zone, broke structure. Now we're planning to enter at 50%, take profit below, stop loss 1 tick above. Let's see what's ended up happening. Nope. Just keeps on playing games. Oh, I see another play. Oh, I see a better play, to be honest. Same thing we just went over right now. Swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low, sweep. Came back, tapped the zone, broke structure. Let's see if we come back at all. I see another zone that just got... Oh, never mind. And I saw it filling out, but it didn't. It didn't form fully. So come on, come on. It's just doing nothing here. We're just playing games. Oh, and at this time right here, I would stop trading. So I would stop trading at 11 o'clock Central Time. So no form got filled for me. The only play that we really saw that worked out, that was a potential play, was this one right here. Tap on the zone, swing high, swing low, sweep. Came and failed 50%. But I wasn't fully bullish just yet, so I wouldn't have taken it. If I was bullish, I would have. But there was just way too much resistance above. And then at 11 o'clock, I would have just hopped off. I wouldn't have waited for another play. This zone I just marked out right here, as you can see, got failed right here, 50%. Hit take profit. But it wasn't A+, it wasn't for me. You can see this first tap right here got way too deep. Almost filling 50%, so I'm going to move on. So I wouldn't have taken it. But realistically, nothing played out that was A+. So there's nothing for us to take. And no trade is so much better than a trade. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you gained some knowledge and some insight. If you want to learn more about my strategy and NT, go to the first link in the description. I have a little community that I love to see you inside of and help you master the strategy. As much as you think you can continue trading alone, you realistically can't. So let's get started, get you educated, get you moving, and come and join me live while I'm trading. God bless, brothers. I'll see y'all later, and stay patient.